Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay, today in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you an interesting lesson that is chapter 2, The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, written by Muhammad Bashir. Okay, so those who have your textbook, please take out your textbook and listen carefully. But this video, I'm going to tell the summary. Okay, I'm going to tell the summary in a simple way. Next class onwards, I will explain you detailedly from the textbook. Understand? So I am going to sum up the story. Understand? So what is the lesson name? The Snake and the Mirror, written by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir. So here in this lesson the story is about a doctor. Okay, about a doctor. He was a homeopathic doctor. Understand? So the story is full of about his experience with the snake. Understand? So the doctor was very young. So we are going to see about the homeopathic doctor. The doctor was very young and had just set medical practice. So now only he completed the medical practice in homeopathy. Understand? Homeopathy is a type of medicine like allopathy, Ayurvedic we are telling. No, it's a type of medical way of medical practice. He was a great admirer of beauty. So he admires his own beauty. Okay, he admires his own beauty. So he was a great admirer of beauty. Understand? So he was a man full of humor. So this doctor is not a serious person. He was a man of full of humor. Humor means what? In a comedy way. Okay, they speak in a comedy way. They take the life as lightly only. They won't be serious. In any dangerous situation also, they will act in a light way. Understand? So he believed in making himself look handsome. So what happened? He want to making himself look handsome. Understand? He was admiring his own beauty, and he want to become a beautiful, that is handsome person. Understand? So he believed in making himself look handsome. Okay. He used to say that he was unmarried. So, whenever he was talking to any friends or anybody, he used to say he was unmarried. So, he often tell him as a bachelor. Okay, he was an unmarried. Repeatedly, he would tell like that, and was a doctor. So he was say what he was saying. I was a unmarried man. I am a bachelor man, and I am a doctor. He often tell this. He often tell this sentence to his friends and surround people. Understand? So he felt proud of his profession and his appearance. So he was very much liked his profession. Profession means what work they are doing, we call it as a profession. So he was very proud of his homeopathic profession and his appearance, and he was very admire his own appearance. Okay, he likes his own appearance. So he will sat in front of the mirror, and he will see his face, and he always comb his hair. So he was unmarried man, no? So he want to look handsome. So he often sat before the mirror, and he admires his own beauty. Understand? To make him more handsome, he decided to grow a thin mustache. So what happened? He want to look more handsome. So what he was doing, he make him, what is that? He decided to grow a thin mustache. Mustache means, men they having this, okay, that is mustache. So he want to grow. He decided to grow his mustache. He would keep an attractive smile on his face. So what is always he make a what is this, keep an attractive smile, understand, on his face. He would keep an attractive smile on his face. He would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and good practice. So the doctor was decided to marry a woman that woman should have plenty of money. Okay, he thought like that. He decided like that. So whoever I'm marrying a girl, that a girl should have plenty of money and good practice in this same field. Okay, in this homeopathic field. Understand? So and then she should be fat too. So he was imagining his wife should be like that. So he imagining that his wife should be fat. Okay, understand? When the snake, okay, up to that, he is describing about his, what is it, the author was describing about him, whatever he likes. Okay, he was admiring his beauty, and he was thinking about his future wife. Like that, he was, a description of the author is given. Now next, what the author was saying is, what is the story name? The Snake and the Mirror. Okay, important is the snake. Okay, so what happened? Once he was sitting in front of them, he was a middle class family, so he was living in a rented house. So one day what happened? He was sitting in front of the mirror. One table is there. In the table, one mirror is there. In front of one chair, he was sitting. Suddenly, he was, what is it? He was admiring his beauty and everything. He's combing his hair. Suddenly, he heard a noise. Okay, suddenly he heard a noise, and then after some time, a rubber tube like structure was fallen from the roof. Okay, a rubber tube like structure fallen from the roof. Then only he identify that it was a snake. Suddenly, in a moment, okay, in a second, what happened? The snake was circled his left arm. Okay, the snake was circled his left arm, and he could not do anything. Okay, so this also he was describing how he felt with the snake, what are the reaction he had. So everything he was describing. Okay, so here, when the snake landed on his shoulder, he was turned to a stone in the flesh. What happened? When the snake was landed on his shoulder, he was turned to a stone. He cannot move anywhere. Okay, it's very dangerous. No, we cannot imagine that. If a snake is nearby, also we will run out of the place. The snake is on his shoulder means it would be a very very dangerous situation he was facing. And then what happened? He was fully like a stone. Why they are telling stone cannot move? No, in the same way, this doctor is not moving anywhere. He was sitting in that same place because of fear. He tried to write in bright letters outside his little heart the words, oh God. Okay, so any dangerous situation coming means automatically what would we do? We automatically pray to God only. In the same way, he was praying to God. In his little heart, he was writing, oh God, that name is coming in his heart. Okay, he believed that God would come to his help, so he was believing God would come and help him, okay, in this dangerous situation. He remembered that if the snake stuck, there were no medicines with him, and he was sitting like a stone, and his mind was wandering. He was thinking so much of things in his mind, and he was telling, my heart is saying, oh God. And he was remembering, if the snake is bite him, what will happen? So there is no medicine with him. He was thinking like that. The snake goes away, and he turned from his friend's house. So what happened? After some time, the snake was looking at the mirror, and slowly it goes away from his shoulder. Understand? So the snake was slowly goes away from his shoulder. And what happened? He take a fast quick run out of the house, and he went to his friend's house. Understand? And then what happened? After some days, he was returning to this rented house. Okay, after some time, he was returning to his own house. From his friend's house, he found some thief had removed most of his things. Actually, he was a middle class family. He was living in a rented house. He is not a rich man. He is having a small things in his suitcase. Understand? So in that time, he was going to, because of the fear of snake, he went to his friend's house. After some days, he was came to that house. He is not locking that house and all. After that, he came that there is no things in that house. So what happened? The thief came, and the thief had removed everything. Okay, they taken away everything. So what happened? He was very very sad, and then in this what is it difficult situation itself, he was found that a vest, vest. What do you mean by vest? Vest means men inner wear. Okay, men's usually wear the shirt. Inner wear is, we call it as a vest. Okay, so the men inner wear, he had no, that inner wear is very dirty. So the thief left the one thing. Okay, that vest only they left in that house. They left that one thing and go away. And what happened in this difficult situation? He humorously said to the saying. Okay, what he was saying? He left the vest because undirty. So why the thief left the vest? Because it's very dirty. Okay, it's very dirty, so only they have left the vest. In a humorous way, he said. Okay, so this story is about the doctor, homeopathic doctor, how he faced the dangerous situation with the snake. Understand? First, the author was describing how he admires the beauty and everything. He was planning for the marriage, and he was thinking about his future wife and everything. The description has given. And the next part only, they are telling he met the what is that, snake, and everything happen. Okay, it's a very very interesting story. So this lesson, in the next part, we will see in a detailed way. Okay, paragraph wise I will explain you. We can enjoy the story. So I will continue the same lesson in next class. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.